So it's been just about 2 months since I've uploaded a video to the channel, and there are some reasons for that. I'm making this video to kind of get everyone up to speed on what's changing with the channel, basically. So if you're someone that's been subscribed with the bell on and you're watching this soon after it comes out, I'll explain all this. And if you're someone that's watching this video a couple of weeks down the road, you're probably wondering why things will look a little bit different, and I'll explain that as well. Now, I'm not going to drag this out for a whole lot of time because there's a lot of things I want to cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what's changing, and then those of you, if you want to dip out from there, you can click off the video if you want. But if you want an explanation of why and what exactly things are changing to, then you can stick around for the rest of the video. So the short version of this is I'm rebranding the channel. The channel name is going to change and the content is going to change. So if that's all you're concerned about, as far as, your interest in the channel, you can either choose to unsub, which is perfectly fine. I have no issues with that. You can stay subbed and not watch the videos, or you may be interested in what I'm doing next and you may want to stick around and learn more about all of that. But that decision is up to you, and whatever people personally decide to do, I'm perfectly okay with. Now, the reason why things are changing is I've been doing content on cars and the two Terminator Cobras for 6 years now, since 2020. Basically in July of 2020 is when I started, and there's just a lot of videos that I've done.
I'm tired, boss.
And honestly, I'm kind of getting to the end of stuff that I'm really wanting to talk about. I've covered a lot of topics. Some of them have kind of overlapped as far as the topic, because it's really hard to stretch that out over a long period of time. And covering just two cars has been really, really tough. I mean, I'm not a big channel where I can just overturn cars on a regular basis and bring in something new and mod something new. And honestly, I have other hobbies and other interests that I want to start pursuing, and things that I would rather do videos on than almost to the point of rehashing stuff that I've already done with car content. As far as what the new content is going to be, it's already been on the channel sporadically here and there. Like I said, I have over 200 videos on the Sonic Blue Cobra and the Torch Red Cobra. I've dipped in a little bit with the Shelby GT350 that I had, Fox Body Project that I started then sold because there were various reasons for that. But that, and I dipped into other cars I've had in the past, long before YouTube. And the accumulation of all that is about around 240 videos total in 6 years. When you break that down, it's 3.6 videos per month, and you round that up with shorts that I've done. It's about one video a week for 6 years. And honestly, I'm just tired. It's just real hard trying to think of new topics and new things to do, new things to talk about. It gets harder all the time. Hence why there hasn't been an upload for almost 2 months. But then there is a whole other flip side of that as well. Now, the reason why there hasn't been an upload for 2 months and what the channel is changing to are intertwined into one. Like I said, some of this content's kind of been sprinkled on the channel a little bit, and that would be precision reloading and rifle content. Is basically what I'm mostly going to focus on now, is reloading for precision reloading. I mean, you could teach a monkey how to reload a round from a fired piece of brass to a reloaded round able to be shot. But what I'm focusing on is precision, and it's a whole different ball game when it comes to that, as far as the equipment and the reloading process and all of that. So it's basically what's been eating up all of my time. I've been spending a tremendous amount of time in this room reloading and at the range testing and validating loads that I've come up with and matches that I've been shooting at. So I kind of want to take the channel in that direction as far as that type of content, how I do in the monthly matches that I shoot at for the club. There's been 2 so far this year. I won one, completely fell off the cliff in the second one, and I have the one for July coming up this weekend. And as far as how the channel is going to look different, if you're clicking on this like further out in the future, after the channel's already been rebranded, there will be a different channel name. I've thought really hard about this, and I've gone back and forth both ways as far as making a brand new channel and building that up with just the reloading and rifle and precision shooting content and leaving this channel as it is. But I worked really hard over a number of years to get this channel to where it is, as far as where it makes money. Not a lot, believe me. I'm not going to have to go broke because I don't have YouTube income. Believe me, it's not a lot of money, but it's something. It's something that I can put back into the channel as far as reloading equipment, supplies, stuff like that. It's very little, but it does help. So instead of starting over with a whole new channel and trying to build that up, I figured I owed it more to myself to just continue with this channel that does generate some income and just rebrand it and go from there. I will probably lose subs. A lot of you will leave, and I don't have a problem with that. I don't expect you to stay if you're only here for automotive Terminator Cobra content. I don't blame you at all. It's a big risk by me doing that, but if I don't do any uploads on this channel anymore and focus on a secondary channel, which I have made but I've never done anything with, and try to build that up, I'm basically losing out on both ends. We're starting out with a new channel that I have to build up to the point of any monetization versus one that is already monetized and will generate income not only with the Terminator Cobra videos and all the other videos on the channel that people are viewing, but also the new content, instead of just leaving it to completely fall off into oblivion and just end up being nothing in the end and pour all my effort into another one, which I've already done before with this channel, trying to build it up. It takes a long time. And firearms content is extremely risky on YouTube. You have to navigate a lot of loopholes as far as your wording, your titles, what you show. It's a lot of risks where you could lose the entire thing by doing the wrong kind of thing, doing the wrong video. You can get absolutely buried in the algorithm in the basement by using the wrong terminology when you're discussing anything to do with reloading or the components or anything like that. So any of you that are interested in that stuff going forward, there'll be a lot of terminology that I don't use. Like, you'll know what I'm talking about because I'll either show it on screen or I'll come up with a different word for it, but you'll know what I mean. But I'm trying not to trigger those YouTube AI generated bots that will trigger that stuff and bury the video so that no one sees it. So that's pretty much where it stands for now. As far as when this is happening, at the date of recording this, it is July 22nd. I'll probably put this out within a day of recording it. I'm going to leave the channel the way it is for a couple of weeks. Probably within the first week or so of August is when I will rebrand the whole thing. And by then I'll have videos recorded on the reload and stuff that will come out at that point. I just want to thank everyone that's been here from the very beginning. And those of you that are, I still get comment, even though I haven't uploaded anything for 2 months now, I still get a lot of comments on videos and people saying, hey, I'm new to the channel, I just found it, enjoy watching all your Terminator Cobra stuff. I apologize to those people that have just jumped on, and there's not going to be any more content regarding that. But the other thing too is my life has drastically changed in the 6 years since I started this channel with Terminator Cobra content. Especially the past 2 years, which changed tremendously, is my life completely flipped from one direction to the other, some in really good ways and some in really bad ways. Good thing is, been married for a little over a year now, which is really good. That does take away some of my free time as far as doing content. I'm not blaming it on that. I'm blaming it on all of the reloading process and time at the range, which has eaten up a lot of my time. Some of the bad stuff was my father passing away back in 2024, which kind of what got me on this track of the long-range precision reloading stuff, where one of the last things that I did together with him was getting into the long-range distance shooting at the club that we were part of. He was a president and for a long time, and he was a vice president when he passed away. And I started out shooting my Tikka T3X TAC A1, which is a factory rifle, until I built my custom 6.5 Creedmoor. So we started doing those matches the last 2 years that he was alive. And since he passed away, it really took a hold of me as far as wanting to refine that process. It pushed me to the point of building a completely custom rifle. And so I appreciate all of you that have watched over the years. If you stick around for this new channel rebranding, I really appreciate it. Don't expect you to, but if you do, I appreciate it. If you keep your sub, but just turn off the bell, that's fine. I have no issues with that. Even if you don't watch any of the newer stuff, but if you just unsub and leave the channel, I don't expect anyone to stay. I don't blame you at all, but I just wanted to be upfront and honest, because I could have just rebranded the channel, said nothing, started uploading all this reloading type content, and not said anything. I did think about it quite a bit. I could have just not said anything and just started uploading the new content, changed the channel name, and gone from there, and never said anything, and just ignored everyone that was asking, what happened, why am I doing different content, with no explanation. But that's why I'm making this video, just to inform you of what's going on and why things are changing, if you made it to the end of the video for the whole explanation. So that's pretty much it. If you're into any kind of bolt action rifle stuff, precision reloading, match competition stuff, I have the championship match for our club coming up in September. I'm currently the reigning champion, so I'm going to try to, as much as I can, to hold on to that title. So we'll see. It's not a guarantee of some really stiff competition, but I'm going to cover all that stuff on the channel coming up in the next few months, and just general stuff that I talked about earlier with the new type of content that I'll be doing. So I appreciate everyone that's always been here. You guys mean a lot to me. Every video you've watched, comments, likes, all that stuff, it doesn't go unnoticed. I really do appreciate it. And those of you that stick around, I appreciate that too. And anyone new watching the channel after making this video, welcome aboard. I appreciate that as well. But above all else, thanks for watching.